Good evening and welcome to Jim Munley's World of Weather. You clicked on to Long Range Weather Forecast discussion for December 16th to the 28th. First, a quick look at the impending storm for the Northeast and Mid-Atlantic. We're looking at the European, and that's what the models are trending towards, the colder European. And we're going to go through the time. It's forecasting 6 inches here. This is Sunday. With some scatter areas near a foot in some areas. You see we have amounts approaching a foot here and up into New England. So generally looking for about 6, maybe 8 inches across northern New Jersey and parts of Pennsylvania and New York State. Okay, we're going to look now at the period. Well, first I want to note that the PNA is sharply negative and it's supposed to be around the 19th to the 20th. The GFS and European ensemble show a very strong trough in the west at this time. All models are showing that. Because as we look here at the GFS, here's our trough, and we go forward into time. The trough kind of lifts eastward. The European that's the wrong map. Here's a European map. Also shows the deep trough here across the west central US. And we're going to go now to it kind of brings the trough eastward. And late in the period, we're expecting a forecast change. Let me see if I can get to that time. We have a trough here with the ridge in the west. A ridge in the east with a trough in the west. And this will be because the PNA is sharply negative and the EPO is also negative and indicates a pattern change for the 16th to the 20th. And it's supposed to go from a ridge trough configuration to a trough with a ridge in the east. And the polar vortex is forecast to be further to the north. A positive tilted trough is forecast from the plains to the four corners by late next Friday. The coldest air is forecast to remain near the divide. Okay, the ensembles forecast a strong ridge that persists over the North Pacific and a positive tilted trough to extend from the northern plains to the southwest for December 19th to the 23rd. Now, the GFS and the European runs depict a more amplified pattern with a deeper trough indicated by the ensemble means. So, this is for the 23rd. Here we are on the 23rd. A trough here. And so I'm forecasting for this period. This is for the 19th to 23rd. Above normal temperatures across this area, below normal temperatures here for precipitation. Looking for below normal precipitation across this area and above normal precipitation across this region. Now I'm going to look at the period for December 24th to 28th, and the change is that the trough across the west central U.S. is forecast to slide slightly eastward, as we saw here on the GFS, or on the European, I'm sorry. The European brings it east, and so does the GFS. So during this forecast period, I am forecasting above normal temperature for the west coast and the southeast, and below normal temperature across this area for precipitation, forecasting no change in the precipitation anomalies. So that is the long range weather forecast discussion for December 16th to 28th. Thank you for coming, Jim, on this world of weather, and have a good day.